Good morning, colleagues in Aegis, and thank you very much for attending today. And if you're watching this recording, it's because I am in transit from North Wales to Edinburgh. I'm actually on half a day of annual leave, but nevertheless, I just want to deliver where we are with this environmental science and sustainability degree course. And the first thing I would like to say before I advance is my gratitude to Lucy Bryden and also Kate Heisman, who have helped us to develop this course and interrogate the courses that we put together in our construction of this degree collectively. And they sort of worked out which courses were not going to work, which ones would work, and where we needed new courses. And Kate, in particular, has been responsible for ensuring that some of these courses could be potentially available for accreditation going forward, which is a fantastic thing. So the key issue about this course is that it is multidisciplinary. So it deals with environmental science in the broadest context. It covers geography and ecology and biology, but it also covers social sciences as well. And in terms of the application of these disciplines to global challenges. And I think you will all appreciate that it is a fantastic and exciting. The projected start date for the course is September 24, so we have some time to get ready to prepare for this. And we're contemplating rolling the course out in Malaysia starting in September 25. Key issues to bear in mind is that in year one, the major issue here is the introduction of a general environmental science course in year one, which is new. Maths has been moved to year two. So that means, of course, if students join in year two, so they come into second year entry, then they will get the mathematics provision. And also the first introduction of students to social science is also in year two, again, accommodating year two entry students. The new Catchment to Coast course is moved from year two to year three. This is going to be an interdisciplinary field course module that runs in semester one, so field course work and also laboratory analysis, and then moving into the second semester where we have the data analysis, which means that the course is perfectly attuned to the Go Global policy. So it means that students can participate in the field course but take their data to Malaysia or Dubai or Orkney and work on the data from there. We've introduced social sciences throughout the course with a new course on marine policy and governance, introducing our students to critical governance and policy legislation. And we're also going to introduce a new course on pollution, energy and waste management, which basically was identified following a gap analysis. So we'll need to construct that one going forward, and that's in year three. We've also removed any MSc courses from year four choices to ensure that our students can progress to our MScs. Otherwise, that would be prohibitive and we would not get the benefit of our students progressing to our very well acknowledged MSc courses. So this is what year one looks like. As you can see, what we're drawing on heavily are existing courses. The new course that we're introducing here is environmental science, so just one new introductory course, and Kate Heisman has sort of mapped out what the content of that course would be and aligned it to IEMA accreditation. The other thing I'd like you to note is the distribution between the disciplines. So new courses are indicated in blue, biology courses indicated in green, geography courses are indicated in brown, and other courses drawing from other areas indicated in grey. Moving now into year two, you can see that again we're drawing heavily on existing courses. the new course that we're introducing in Year 2, Semester 2 is Social Science for Environmental Scientists. So this will be very much a methodology-based course. And of course, it caters very well for those students that are joining us as Year 2 entrants. Moving into Year 3, you can see that we have an increase in the number of new innovative courses that we're introducing. We have the field course, which cuts across the entire year, so catchment to coast. Semester 1 will be a field-based residential course working on terrestrial systems, freshwater aquatic systems, urban environments, and moving out to the coastal environment. Students will bring back their samples to the laboratory, analyse those samples, and acquire the data. In Semester 2, they will continue in the catchment coast module, but we will accommodate their Go Global necessity by enabling them to take their data overseas and participate in group work from their overseas environment. And of course, also they will be able to bring their new experiences to bear on the interpretation and analysis of that data. 2 other new courses, Waste Pollution and Energy, which was identified through a gap analysis, and then Delivering Sustainability, which is a social science course, which deals with accreditation and also social welfare in sustainable seafood and other ecological systems, such as sustainable forestry. And then finally, moving into Year 4, again, we're drawing heavily on existing courses. The new courses include environmental economics and also policy governance and legislation. And so what I hope you can see is that the students are getting a truly multidisciplinary course throughout their degree. And I personally think this is extremely exciting. And it also maps very well against competing courses that are offered on the continent in mainland Europe, as based on my own personal experience. So here we see in this slide the division amongst the discipline areas across the course, and you can see it's quite evenly split across the 4 discipline areas, which I think is an extremely positive attribute of the course, with the main emphasis on the environmental sciences, as we would expect. And there are additional slides which indicate the career pathways associated with this degree, but I'm going to stop the presentation here. And would just like to thank again my colleagues Lucy Bryden and also Kate Heasman for their contribution and input into helping us develop this course, and also you, my colleagues, for your input and your enthusiasm in trying to coalesce around developing this course. Just to note that this is not set in stone. We have ample possibility to refine, revise, and enhance this course as we move forward, because it is not starting until 2024. So thank you very much for your contribution, and well done.